In our fired heater, we started to notice stack temperatures rising and efficiency falling. After looking into it, we realized the issue was fouling deep in the convection section, and we needed a way to deal with it safely and effectively. The fouling had built up between tube rows in parts of the convection section that are difficult to access. Over time, that limited heat transfer and pushed fuel consumption higher. We had tried other cleaning approaches before, but they couldn't reach those areas properly. We reached out to IGS, and they deployed a robotic convection section fouling removal rover.
The system was remotely operated and able to move through the convection bank, working between tube rows. Real-time video provided clear visibility of the cleaning process as it took place, giving confidence that fouling was being properly removed without causing damage. After cleaning, there was a 3% improvement in thermal efficiency and a clear reduction in fuel use and CO2 emissions. For heavily fouled convection sections where access is limited, this approach delivered clear, measurable results. Fouling was removed, stack temperatures were brought back under control, and heater efficiency improved within a short period of time.